Oerlikon has a broad portfolio for the production of polyester, polypropylene and nylon and other materials. We do it in a very sustainable way. So we developed in 2004 a program called eSafe, and we have been the pioneers in sustainability at that time. And from generation to generation, we optimized the technologies for POY, for FDY, for DTY, IDY industrial yarn, BCF solutions, staple fiber and nonwoven. And we brought that here because this is what the customers want. Energy efficient technologies that makes them successful, helps them to save money and to create a very high quality of homogeneous yarn. That is what we present here at the ITM in Turkey, in Istanbul. It's a pleasure to be here, always after 2 years coming back, meeting all our friends from Turkey, but also from the other area here in the Middle East, Syria. Also we met people from India, Africa, Egypt. Everybody's coming, and we already had good discussions in the first couple of days of the show. Turkey is a very important market for us. We are here in Turkey since more than 50 years with our brands Oerlikon Barmark, Oerlikon Neumark, Oerlikon Nonwoven. We are very successful, very close with the big customers like Zaza, Cortex, Merinos. But it's not only the Turkish market what we are looking for here at the ITM. There are also all the other countries and the customers from there, from the Middle East, like Syria, Jordania. We have customers from Egypt, from Africa, Morocco is here. We met people from India, Pakistan is coming. So it's a kind of, ITM is a kind of melting pot in the Middle East, and it's a very successful exhibition, also in 2024. And I wish all of us, also all the other companies that are showing up here, a great success at the end of the day. So right now the markets are really challenging. So from a global point of view, China is the most important market for the chemical fiber industry since decades. We as Oerlikon had a turnover year by year of around about 700 million, 800 million, so 70% of our turnover we did in China. But other markets are now developing because China is shrinking a little bit. They are not further investing in that way they have done in the past. So now India is coming up. We see more potential in the Turkish region, in Africa, North Africa. Egypt is developing slowly, but is developing. So there is a potential. The problem a little bit is that the overall market situation is really, as I said, challenging. It was shrinking in our chemical fiber industry over the last 1.5, 2 years. But now we see again that there is an increase of potential projects in the market. We are discussing a lot, and hopefully we can sign a few contracts here at ITM, and for sure within the next couple months for follow-up meetings with our customers that we have met here in Istanbul. Sustainability is a huge word. As said, we have developed a program called eSafe almost 20 years ago. And our target here was to establish and to create generation by generation, machine by machine, that we brought into the market a higher efficient machinery. So since then, for all our products that we have today in the product portfolio, we could achieve more than 15 million CO2 emission reduction if we calculate that all together. So that is a huge impact on the environment. But it's not only energy efficiency, it's also that we look into the economics of a machine. So we want to create better machinery for the operators. That's all an aspect within our sustainability initiative, looking into that. Human beings work with the machinery, and how can we optimize that? So from that point of view, for sure the most important factor is energy efficiency, saving money, make it more economic interested, but it's also about human beings and working with the machines. So we are selling huge plants. We are talking about 1,000, 1,200 tons per day polyester production. These are plants between 25 and up to 50 soccer fields. So this is really a huge plant. And for that you need a good digital solution to control everything. That is what we have in place already since decades. So when we start developing and selling such plants, for sure we delivered with our plant operation center, POC, a software to control it. Now here at ITM, we show a new software solution. It's called Atmos.io. It is a similar approach. For sure, we have digital data available for the customer. So our machinery and the Atmos.io data platform is collecting all the data. We do and offer a certain kind of software application so that the customer can get condensed data to analyze the situation in his plant and to optimize and to do a kind of predictive maintenance and predictive production. And that helps to, at the end, to be more sustainable, reduce energy costs, optimize the operational expenditures, and finally be more successful and, and get more money at the customer side. That's the most important thing, what we want to contribute to our customers. Exhibitions are an excellent platform to meet each other. So within here, like ITM, 5 days, we can meet so many customers all together. We can discuss. Customers have the opportunity to go to other companies, compare things. Although maybe companies do not show up at each and every exhibition because this is impossible to have every 3 months innovation. But in general, yes, it should be not too many exhibitions worldwide because this is a lot of money we have to spend as exhibitors. On the other hand, it's you have to define by yourself as company what you want to achieve at an exhibition. It is also worth to go with a smaller booth, 50, 80 square meters, to show up, to keep relationship with the customers. It is not necessarily always the case that you show innovations. Yeah? Keeping relationship with customers, being close to them, that is also one of the recipes for success. And for sure, everybody is looking for innovations, yeah, but it's not possible that you create every 3 months innovation. But anyhow, we are always keen to come to exhibitions, meeting our friends, meeting our customers. And from time to time it happens that new potential really show up and you could sign new contracts. And that is why it's worth to go to exhibitions. So until 2027, it's still a long way to go and nobody knows what will happen in between. But for sure, as a Swiss-German company with the Oerlikon and Oerlikon Barmark, Oerlikon Neumark, we are for sure looking for a very successful ITMA 27 in Hanover. It's just close to our production site, just a 2 hours drive. And we hope that everybody will come to Germany, to Hanover, and to see a lot of new innovations that all the German, but also all the other exhibitor countries and companies will present in Hanover. Welcome to Hanover.